Hey floor cleaners, it's John here. November 25th is fast approaching, and for those of you that don't know what that means, I'm sure most of you do, it means Black Friday, and Black Friday means the busiest time of year for sales in any business, in any industry, period. In this video, I'm gonna run you through my top 12 Black Friday marketing and sales tips to drive sales for your floor cleaning business this year, guaranteed. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams. I run a company called AGB, or Add to Grow Business. We specialize in one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, we get companies like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot, guaranteed with our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive, but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. 12 Black Friday promotional ideas guaranteed to drive sales. The busiest shopping day of the year, Black Friday, is around the corner, and for all the retailers and service-based businesses, it's time to get your marketing campaigns in order to ensure you're maximizing the opportunity and getting regular customers to book your services again and attract new ones via a variety of offers, promotional techniques. In this video, I will be sharing with you 12 hot Black Friday 2022 promotional ideas that will guarantee a surge in bookings and boost of brand awareness for your floor cleaning company. Let's face it, with all the hype that goes on around Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the holiday season sales, you've literally got millions, if not billions of people all over the world that are itching to spend money, that are actively pursuing deals and sales. And you know what? Half the time, what they're actually getting or buying, it isn't necessarily even like some monstrously discounted thing. They're just carried along by this wave of hype and hysteria, and people are in that mindset of spending money and buying stuff or hiring services such as yours. And so to not get in on this, to not play this game, would be a very foolish move as a business owner. And ultimately, you could be missing out on tons of potential new customers who might go on to use you time and time again in the future by not capitalizing on events such as Black Friday. And everybody else is doing it. If you're not doing it, I'm sure one of your competitors, another carpet cleaner or whatever, is doing it, and they're going to be racking up a bunch of new business and a bunch of new customers. So it's really, really important, in my opinion, that look, there's a reason why so many businesses subscribe to this and do it. And so in my opinion, if you want to be a successful floor cleaning business, then you got to play the game, man. And that game involves, running some Black Friday deals. And like I say, if you do that, there's a potential for you to really capture such a large amount of new business in such a short space of time that you can then leverage some of the techniques that we've talked about in the other videos and turn that new business that have come in on a Black Friday deal into repeat business customers, and the lifetime value of these customers could be huge. So for me, in my personal opinion, it's absolutely worth doing. And so I want to run through over the course of this video some of my top 12 best tips that you can do for your floor cleaning business to leverage Black Friday and make it a success for yourself. So let's get right into it. So number one, think mobile first. Think of Black Friday as Mobile Friday, because a large percentage of customers will be on their phones looking for deals and locations. Mobile also plays a significant role in purchase behavior. More than 36% of orders and bookings placed on Black Friday last year came via a mobile device. That's the time of year where customers want an easy and effortless booking of the deals, and they are spoiled for choice. Therefore, make sure your website is mobile friendly and that you're listed in local search directories. Bottom line is this: it's pretty obvious most people these days are on their phones when they go on the internet, right? It's long gone are the days of like the 90s or the early 2000s where somebody's got some big computer in their study and they're connected to the internet internet, searching the internet on some big desktop computer. Yes, there are people and there are times when you might be on a laptop if you're maybe a freelancer or if your work is laptop based or desktop based, but for the most part, we carry around this device and we're always on it and surfing the internet. We're on social media, we're on Google, and the number one place where the connection with the internet takes place these days is on our phones. So you want to make sure that your website's cooking on gas, that it's mobile friendly, that it's fast and all that stuff. You want to make sure that you've got ads running across social media. Again, another thing that's accessed frequently on mobile phones, that everything's hooked up, working, and is mobile friendly. Number 2, bundle and conditional discounts. Undoubtedly, one of the best Black Friday ideas for small businesses like yourself is to use the buy more, save more, or book more to save more tactic. By bundling your floor cleaning service offers together or offering conditional discounts, you're encouraging shoppers to put more floor cleaning services in one go. Number 3, flash sales, hourly deals. If you want to create a higher sense of urgency for customers, then flash sales or hourly deals will definitely do the trick. Deals that rotate every hour will give some excitement and invite buyers to check back your offers regularly. You can try offering a very small general discount on all offers and then set a further price reduction every hour. Adding a countdown clock will help in reminding potential buyers about the sale and get them to return to your site in time. Hosting flash sales might require a bit more time and effort to put together. However, it might be extremely beneficial to service-based businesses as they help to increase conversion rate, boost brand awareness, and a rise in revenue. Number 4, second chance, last chance offers. Another Black Friday marketing idea for small businesses that rely on the sense of urgency is to announce a second chance or a last chance sale. This strategy focuses mostly on indecisive customers by offering them a final opportunity to get your Black Friday discount. Customers who have abandoned the booking form halfway and have missed the first offer period are likely to feel the need to grab the special deal before it runs out again. Number 5, mystery gifts, contests, and prize draws. These are tried and tested ways to attract more customers to your floor cleaning business and boost brand awareness. Festive mystery gifts will give shoppers the excitement of uncovering a mysterious element. Contests such as share your best Thanksgiving photo 2022 photo with us and the winner will get a 20% discount will get more people involved and ensure more shares around friends and family. Participation in prize draws with each booking will also create a surge of interest and boost interest that might lead to more bookings. Number 6, don't wait for Black Friday. Don't wait for Black Friday to start your promotions. Get ahead of the competition by offering sales earlier in the week, such as deal of the day leading up to the big event. For example, even though Black Friday is looming, it's not too late to put together at least a few of these ideas and put them into play. Your business and the bottom line will be better off for it. So I really hope that you enjoyed part 1 of this Black Friday special. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when part 2 comes out in the next few days, where I'll be covering some more advanced Black Friday strategies to generate more jobs for your floor cleaning business this holiday season. If you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description below where you'll find a link to our website where you'll be able to book a call with us. See you on the next one. Peace.